Lionel Andres Messi is off to U.S. Major League Soccer team Inter Miami. For the first time in his illustrious career, Messi is set to play competitive club football outside of Europe. This is obviously a statement by Messi that the greatest player of this generation, one of the greatest players of all time, Messi, is heading down easy street, away from the cut and thrust and the hustle and bustle of European football. And look, me not lie, it's hard to fathom top-level club football, especially Champions League, without Lionel Messi. But hey, Messi is now 35 years old. He has been playing and dominating and sparkling at the elite club level consistently for the past 15 years. The man deserves a break. And speaking of break, Messi will get a break from the intensity of European football. But based on the response across the MLS since the signing was announced, every single ticket for every single Inter Miami game, home and away, across the MLS, is sold out. So Messi not getting no break unless that news is fake.